Hello guys, thank you for tuning to this training video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to create a clipping mask in Illustrator. So you can insert any of your image you want on the canvas and then click on the shapes tool. I'll draw a rectangle on top of this image like so, and it can be any color you want, that doesn't matter. So once you have drawn out the object on top of the image, click on your selection tool and then click and drag both of these, the image and the object. Then once that's selected, both of those objects, and then go to object and go all the way up to clipping mask and click on make. So you can see now that it has transformed that object into a clipping mask. If you want to move the image inside this, just double click and then with your arrow key on the keyboard you can just move it, or you can use the mouse tool as well. You can resize it as well if you want to make edges to the image. And once you are done, you can just click on this arrow back one level that says, and one more exit isolation mode, click on it again, and you're outside that editing mode. So I'll show you one more shortcut, and if you want to release this clipping mask, just click on this and right click and click on release clipping mask. So it will release the clipping mask and it will give you that shape what you had drawn, but it will move the color to none in it. You can just delete this for now. I'll show you another way. I'll just resize the image to larger now. This time I will select an oval tool, ellipse tool. Just I'll hold down shift and click and drag. We don't need to add any fill, but I'll just add it so you'll know where I have drawn the object. Once you have drawn the object, another way you can make the clipping mask is just click and select both of these again and just right click and click on make clipping mask here itself. So it will use that same method to make the clipping mask. So that's another handy shortcut you can use to make your workflow much more faster. So clipping mask is applied on any other objects as well, not just oval and rectangle. I'll just undo it. I'll just delete this, and instead of the ellipse tool I'll use the star tool. Let's see how it does it on stars tool. Once you have drawn that, just center it on the canvas and click and drag both of these objects. Again right click on the star and click on make clipping mask. So you see how it has made the clipping mask on that image. So that's how you use the clipping mask in Illustrator. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. You can always shoot me an email if you have any questions to ask, and hit the like button if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon to keep yourself updated. So I will see you in the next videos guys. Thanks for watching.